Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to contact BingX support. Are you on BingX and need help with something? Maybe a trade issue, account question, or just want to ask support a quick question? Here is how you can easily contact support on BingX. First, open the BingX application and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. Once you're inside this profile section, in the expanded menu, scroll down and click on Help Center. Now on the next page, you'll be able to see some categories on which you can ask support. You can go ahead and choose a category from the options or select one of the beginner's guide at the bottom of the screen on whichever section you have a problem with. You can also scroll a bit down and look for the FAQ option. From here, you can browse common questions and answer from the frequently asked section. If you want to submit a ticket, go to the right-hand side corner and tap on the little headphone icon. And from here, you can go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Contact Online Support. You'll be reaching out to the customer support of BingX. Here, you can go ahead and enter one of the options in which section you need help. Click on Help Center at the bottom right. If you want to speak to the customer support, tap on Help Center once again. If that doesn't work, then you can type in I want to speak to a representative and an agent will be with you shortly. You can speak with them directly about any of your issues. Reaching out support on BingX doesn't have to be confusing. Just follow the steps and you'll be connected with help quickly and easily. So that is how you can easily contact BingX support within the BingX application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.